Hi, we are the NASA Marsupial Planetary Rover team from Florida Polytechnic University. This year, we were able to fully print and functionalize an EZ-RASSOR rover. We took the design from NASA Kennedy Space Center's SWAMP team and redesigned some parts for optimizing and for easier printing on our Percy Mark III and Percy Minis.
This system will be the first of its kind in the US and will hopefully grow into a fleet of rovers working autonomously off their mothership. The goal is to be able to have a fully autonomous fleet of rovers working to mine rock and ice on the moon that refines into hydrogen for rockets.
The motor controller for the rover is designed to be a shield for the Arduino Mega with 10 hot swappable stepper motor drivers, a serial and I2C breakout for future add-ons, and also a 12 volt to 5 volt buck converter for Raspberry Pi and Arduino power.
So I was responsible for the serial interface software between the Pi and the Arduino, and I also ported over the EZ-RASSOR teleop software to ROS 2.0.
One of the two main points of interest are the telecommunications on the Arduino side and the timer scalers. So for communications with the Raspberry Pi, the Python code will send in a character value, and the Arduino will read it and then run a corresponding function that will help turn the motors. The second aspect, which is the timer scalers, the motors run on a certain PWM pins, and we change the scalers on those timers to make sure they all run at the same speeds.
Our ramp system is comprised of three main parts: the actuator, the ramp, and the bed. I went ahead and 3D modeled all three of those in SOLIDWORKS to simulate their functions. Then we fabricated each part and assembled them, and then tested finally with the mini rovers.
With our progress, we hope that the next groups can make the second EZ-RASSOR functional and can communicate with the first. We also hope that both of them can communicate with a working mothership Phoenix rover, and that they have dump beds for mining capabilities.
This will lead to the first gas station on the moon. We look forward to seeing where this project goes. Hopefully,
To the moon!